Hey guys, Kiki with cheese here. Hey guys, Kiki with cheese here. It's cheese, 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 cheese. Sorry. Anyways, Kiki with cheese here. And this video is going to be a short video on my, let me say, my, what is, what journey will I call this? My teeth journey. Smile Direct Club journey. I got this yesterday and I put it in. So this is a, okay, let me just start from the beginning. I don't like my teeth the way it's spaced out. I don't like it at all. It gives me this weird smile. I don't like my smile when I open my teeth. So most of the time, I don't smile with my teeth open. And I wanted to change it by all means. Like I'm like, okay, fine. We're going to get Smile Direct. It's cheaper than the regular Invisalign, and it's cheaper than the normal regular braces. And I don't even want to wear the normal braces because I don't think I'll look good in them. So I decided to opt for the invisible ones. And I saw the adverts everywhere. You know, but I saw the advert everywhere. If you've been on Instagram, you've seen Smile Direct Club's advertisement, and they got me. Like they got me. I'm like, yay, my teeth will be straight. Hi, I'm going to have like straight teeth, and and my smile will be perfect. So went in for the consultation. I got my scan, my 3D scan, and it was okay. It was good. It looked amazing though. They will tell you, like, they'll show you in different ways how your teeth will transform from what it is now to what it's going to be. So I got my 3D scan. I got my email and it showed me everything I needed to see, and I was waiting for this package to come. I waited and waited. Then it was like the package is delivered. It's time for you to check in your um when you get your aligners, they send you a message to check it in so your doctor can um follow up, or whoever doctor is. I don't know my doctor's name, I swear. I don't know what doctor it is, but say the dentist can follow up, and they can also time you and remind you when to take it out and when to put it in. So I didn't have my box yet, so I had to wait. I was like, I called them. I don't have my boxes. I don't know why you guys want me to check in something that I don't have my box here. My husband called them. They're like, guys, I can't find my box. Then yesterday, my husband was downstairs and he walked by and saw my box there. I don't know how it appeared. I've gone downstairs so many times, checked everybody's. I know it is creepy and weird, but I had to check everybody's front door to look for my package. I couldn't find it, then it just pops up, and the people were like, it was in front of something. It was in front of somebody's door, and the people had just moved up. I don't know if they were keeping it or holding it for me. I don't know what they were doing. Even they didn't put the apartment number, but they knew that this is my apartment complex and everything. You can just put it outside in the middle where people can see and get it. So the new girl that moved in downstairs actually brought it out of the, I don't know if it was inside the house. I don't know where it was, but it wasn't outside when I checked. And my husband saw it downstairs and he picked it up from her. I was like, oh, that's my package. And she was like, oh, is this a package I just moved in? I don't know if the other people they're holding it. I don't know what they're holding it for. I wanted to get another one made because I couldn't find my package. But anyway, that's that for that thing. That story has passed. Anyway, so I got this yesterday. It comes in this small little box, and let me open. I don't know if I'm holding upside down. Okay, yeah, yes. Comes in this small little box, and it comes a lot of things which I've taken out right now, like the case where you put your liner, and the outie where when you want to remove your liner, it helps. It's really tight, so it actually helps to remove it and put it. No, doesn't put it back in. No, just take it out. Yes, my chewies, when I put them in and it's not situated very well, I have to put this in and chew. Like I'm talking to you. They gave me like extra whitening gel, it's four inside. You know, only four inside. That's nice. I really have sensitivity, so I'm thinking I'm going to whiten my teeth at the end of this small club journey. Yes, my direct club journey. They gave me lip balm. This is my second one. I got it from them. And then, okay, people's stories. I don't know what this is. I'm not ready. Give me that. I didn't read it. And then your trays of aligners. Oh, see, my doctor's name is there, Dr. New I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. I guess that's the doctor that is assigned to my teeth. I don't know. Yeah, so they give you, it comes in this pack. I'm taking this one out and I'm putting this on my mouth. So putting this on my mouth. So this is how it is. Yeah. I'm taking it out. It comes like this. I don't know. Should I remove? I don't want to remove this thing. And it's transparent. It's very transparent, so you can't really see it. It's transparent, and I don't want to get out of my mouth because it's so painful, guys. It's so painful. Maybe I'll show you guys later on how it actually looks when I take out the one for week 2, month 1, week 2. My plan is for 6 months, so this is week 1, month 1. And you have week 1, month 1, week 2, month 1, then week 3 and 4, month 1. So you use this last one for 2 weeks. Yeah, guys, I need to tell you the truth. When I went to smiledirect.com, please, sorry, I need to be razzed with this thing, man. I can't. When I went to their place and we were talking though, and I asked them, is this thing painful? They said no, just a little bit of discomfort and everything. It's just going to be uncomfortable. It's because it's very tight and it's shifting your teeth. But we're going to. It's not as painful as regular braces because we're taking our time and moving the teeth small by small, small by small. I said okay, it's not going to be painful. Me, I don't like pain, so I have to change. I have to change my tone a bit. So I said, okay, it's not going to be painful, small by small, small by small. It can how bad can it be? They move my teeth small by small, and you know how braces they move like I think they tighten their own braces, normal regular braces every month. So I'm thinking 1 month of pain, then 1 week of pain. It won't be that much. Anyway, they didn't say pain. They said discomfort. Please, am I wrong to think that discomfort is different from pain? I didn't want to go to dictionary and look at it. I do not want to go to dictionary and look at it. In my mind, discomfort is different from pain. Pain is different from discomfort. Because I can sit on this chair and be like uncomfortable. That is discomfort. Doesn't mean I'm in pain. So he said it's going to be a little bit of discomfort, blah blah blah. Said okay, it's fine. I put the tray in. At first, it was just really tight. It was extremely tight. I'm like, whoa. Then 1 hour passed. I feeling like a little bit of pain. 2 hours. I was like, with my mouth, I could feel like my gum. I don't know if that means my teeth is moving. I don't know. My gum was paining me. Couple of hours passed. I said, okay, fine. I've eaten. They say, let me go and brush my teeth now. Guys, I took it out. I was like, whoa. It's not taking it out. You think you take it out and be like, it's finally out. No, you feel pain when you're taking it out. I was like, okay, it's so painful. I was like, wow, why is it so painful and everything? I brushed my teeth, then I popped it back in. Oh, Lordy Lord. This kind of pain I never felt before in my because I normally don't have toothache. So it might be less than what normal toothache is, but man, oh Lord. I started walking around. I was just walking around. I couldn't sit down in one place. My husband was looking at me like I was crazy. But I was walking around. I was like, calm down. Why are you walking around? Like, this pain is too much. It was painful to pull back in. And that's when I knew that I'm going to lose weight. I'm going to lose weight because to take this thing out to snack, I'm not taking it out to snack on anything, for anything. I'm going to have 3 square meals: morning, afternoon, and night. Drink water. The only good thing is that I'll be drinking water, and maybe I'll have like a better hygiene for my teeth. But apart from that, no. No, 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 no. I am not going to eat anything. I can't say, oh, look at this, let me just pop into my mouth. Nope. It has to be at the assigned time that I'm eating my dinner, lunch, or breakfast. I'm just letting you know if you guys want to go on this journey. For some people, it's not that painful. I don't think my teeth is that bad that it has to be this painful. Like just to close the space, and that's all. It's not like if I'm turning or pushing in or pushing up. I don't know why it's painful. I don't know why I'm doing 6 months. I thought it would like shorter, maybe like 4 months or something, because just to close the space. Doesn't have to. I'm not trying to arrange or rearrange anything. Anyway, so if you guys are looking forward to using this Smile Direct aligners, please think about it and make sure you go online, YouTube, and watch all the videos. I hope this video was very helpful and useful to you so you can prepare your mind. I'm not saying you should not do it too, because I've seen some people's results. Just prepare your mind that you're going to feel pain. That's just it. This whole video is about preparing your mind that you're going to feel pain. And you might have like sleepless nights. I took my mother's teeth. She hasn't think that is her teeth not good enough. Why am I trying to why am I trying to fix it with like aligners? That's not good enough. I cannot. I can't deal with you space everywhere. I know it's her own, oh, and my mother's daughter, but this teeth thing needs to be fixed. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.